Hello children, I am Sir Ganesh who is going to teach class 10 mathematics. The topics what I am going to teach to you is called circle. What is circle? This word is very common to you. Day to day life you have seen lot of examples of circles, and from the lower class also you learn a lot about the circles. But anyway, very brief I will give you a definition of circle. I am sure you are ready with your notebooks, textbooks. Okay, now you write in your notebook about circle. Circle is a set of all the points which are at fixed distance. Circle is a set of all the points point O, it is fixed. There is a point P. OP is, there is another point Q. Suppose OP is 5 centimeter, OQ also 5 centimeter. R, this is also 5 centimeter. Five centimeter. Five centimeter. Like that you can put millions of points, all are points. So what do you get? A figure like a circle, right? So circle is a set of all the points from the distance between all the points and the fixed points is everywhere equal. Then there form a figure called which one? Circle. The distance are equal, everywhere it is equal. Now that is a very brief. Now we are going to learn more about the circles. First point, you will be learning, there are so many points which you have not learned so far about circles. First point is, it is a plane figure. It is a plane figure. Second point, can you tell me, there are some points you know about circles, the basic points. Can you tell me what is a point? Yes, it has a center. That you know, right? It has how many center? Yes, only one. Okay. Then yes, it has a which one? Radius, right? Radius. How many radius? Okay, what is radius? It's a circle. It's a point center O. On the circle there are millions of points, right? On the circle there is a millions of points. Let us say point P. The line segment which is drawn to a point from the center. The line segment which is drawn from the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called which one? Radius. So, how many radius you can draw? Millions. Here also one, here also one, here also one, here also. There are millions of radius can be drawn to a circle. Yes or no? Next. So, if you know radius, then automatically another point will be, what is the another point? Diameter. Diameter. What is the diameter? Circle is the center. The line segment which joins 2 points on the circle, one point A, another point B. The line segment which connects 2 points on the circle, keep in mind another point is very important, through the center, because one point P here, another point Q here. Here you cannot say it is a diameter, right? Here also 2 points on the circle connecting, that cannot be a diameter. What is the name? That I will teach you little later, or next point. So, diameter is the line segment which connects the 2 points on the circle, but through the center. That is called diameter. Okay. So, how many diameter can be drawn? Is it only one? We can draw one more, right? Is it only two? Is it? No, we can draw one more, right? Is it only three? No, again we can draw, isn't it? Again we can draw, right? So, how many? Millions, infinite number of diameter. Diameter, infinite number of diameter. That's you have to keep in your mind. Next point is chord. Chord. Maybe chord may be a little new word to you. I think from here onwards, whatever points you are going to learn may be a need to you. Chord also is a line segment which join the 2 points on the circle, which connect the 2 points on the circle P, Q. Point P is a one point on the circle, point Q is another point on the circle. The line segment which is joining the 2 points, that is called chord. Am I right? How many chord can be drawn? Again millions, right? Can you join? Can you join? There are millions of chord can be drawn. What about this one? A and B, also a chord, because it is also connecting the 2 points on the circle. Yes or no? There are millions of chord can be drawn, but there will be only one chord which is the longest one. What is the longest chord of the circle? Diameter. Longest chord. Which one? Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Okay, next. Now, segment, again another new word. Circle. Now, you have to answer to me what I am going to draw. What do you call AB? Yes, AB is a chord, right? Chord. Now, segment is, okay, the chord is dividing the circle into 2 parts, right? Let us say P, let us say Q. This is a smaller portion and the shaded portion is the smallest one and another one is a larger one. Segment, meaning of segment is the area bounded by a chord and an arc. Keep in mind, area bounded by a chord, this is a chord, this is an arc, right. So, that is called which one? Segment. Now, if this is segment, this is segment, then what about this one? Because here also chord and an arc, right. So, both are segment, but here the arc is small, so it is called minor segment. The arc is bigger, so it is called major segment. So, minor segment and major segment. So, chord can be two, one is minor, another one is major. Clear? Now, to find the area of the chord, we can find what is the area of the chord? The space bounded by a arc and a chord is called area of the chord, sorry, area of the segment. To find the area of the segment, we have a formula. Those formula right now I am not going to give you. When the question going to come, I will explain to you. Okay. After this, I will be doing the exercise question. That times I will apply and I will teach you how to measure. Now, next one is sector. It's another new term for you. Sector is a part of a circle. It's a circle, center O. Sector is a part of the circle bounded by two radii and an arc. This is called what? Sector. AO is a one radius. AO is a one radius and BO is a another radius. Two radius comes together. This is a theta angle. Two radius comes together, make an angle. Now, the sector is the area bounded by these two radius and an arc is called sector. What about this one again? This one also two radius and an arc, right? Since it is a major arc, so it is called major sector. It is a smaller arc, so it is called which one? Minor sector. So, sector clear? Segment and sector clear? Next. Here also you can use that to find the which one? Area of the sector. That's a formula can be used, but right now I am not going to explain to you. Later when we are going to solve exercise, we will use. Central angle. This angle is called which one? The angle which is at the center of the circle is called which one? Central angle or the sector. Okay, sector, another best example I can give. I am sure all of you in a year so many times you have to sell, not yours, your birthday and your mummy, daddy, brother, sister, your auntie, uncle, cousins, all of your birthdays you used to celebrate, right? When you used to celebrate the birthday, I am sure big cake which is usually round in shape was brought, right? Big cake was brought. and lot of candles will be there, and your friends will be started singing, and you will be, wearing new dress, all those things, and they will give you a knife to you to cut the cake. Am I right? When you are going to cut the cake, you cut only the beginning portion, little bit you will cut, or your knife will go as much as possible, like that, right? And other side also you will cut, right? Yes or no? Then this portion you will be taking out. Yes or no? Then you will be giving to the loved one to you, or your loved one will be feed to you. Am I right? This portion, can you remember now? You have used in your life so many times, but without knowing the mathematical term. Am I right? This is called what? Sector. Understood? Looks like a, of course it's the 3 dimension. Okay, don't look at everything like that. The upper face, if you see, it looks like which one? Sector. So that is the best example I can give you. Now another point is, concentric circle. Concentric circle. Meaning of concentric circles, more than one circles having the same center. Center is one. One more circle. One more circle. One more circle. So this is circle 1, 2, 3, 4. There are many circles are there, but all the circle is controlled by one center. Center is, this center O is controlling all the circle. So this is called what? Concentric circle. One example we can tell, solar system we can tell, but exactly that system is not circular shape, right? It is something like a little bit oval shape. But for our understanding we can consider, but 100% it is not circular shape, okay? So sun is in the middle, all the planets are revolving the sun. So sun is controlling all the planet, right? So just an example we can tell. Okay, concentric circle. So these are the points we learn. First is which one? First point I told what is about definition of circle. Then circle is a plane figure. Then it has a how many center? Only one center. Then radius. How many number of radius? Infinite number of radius. Then which one? Diameter. Diameter also has, it is a diameter, right? Center O. We have learned radius is from center to the one end of the circle, on the point on the circle. So here one radius. What about this side? Another radius. So two radius comes together, one diameter. So diameter we learn. Then chord we learn. Chord also, which one? Infinite number of chord can be drawn to a circle, can be drawn on the circle. Then which one? Longest chord. What is the longest chord? Longest chord is a diameter. Then what you learn? Segment. Segment is a part of a circle which is which one? Part of a circle surrounded by which one? Chord and an arc. When you draw a chord, there will be a two, which one? Two segments. One is major segment, another one is minor segment. Then what do you call? Sector. Sector also part of a circle, but here which one? No chord will be there, but what will be there? Radius will be there. Two radii and an arc. The bounded area is called which one? Sector. Here again there are two. If it is arc is small, then it is minor sector. If arc is larger or major, then it is a major sector. Then concentric circle, center angle. Center angle I will tell you. Concentric circle. The more than one circle having same center is called concentric circle. Another easy point is semicircle. Semicircle. What is semicircle? Center O. If you draw a diameter, The diameter is dividing the circle into exactly two equal parts, right? Yes or no? So this is one portion and this another portions, right? Two equal part. So that is called which one? Semi means half. So semicircles, all those things we have. Then area of the circle, what formula going to apply, all those things we will be learning when the exercise is going to start. Okay, all of you write down quickly. Now we will be entering to the exercise. Question tells the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter. And 9 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Respectively, one word also is here. You in your textbook you can see one more word respect to all those things, such you write. Okay. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to sum of the circumference of the two circles. So these are questions. What is the question? Radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. There are two circles, one circle and another circle. R1, R2. We are going to find another circle whose circumference is equal to these two circles. So that's what we are going to find out. Now answer. Radius of the first circle, that is R1 is equal to how much? 19 centimeter. Radius of the second circle, R2 equal to how much? 9 centimeter. Radius of the third circle, R3 equal to question mark, we do not know. What is our question? Circumference. This is looks like a circle shape, right? It looks like a circle shape, circle. Suppose you take I am sure in your house like this or bigger than this size also you have so many things will be there. You take a thread, you hold one end here and keep the thread over this circle, and when it's reached you take out. Now you will get a length of this much thread, right? So this is a circumference of this circle, that is length, entire length of the circle. Clear? Okay. Now, how to find out? Now, like this you can find out. Suppose the circle is bigger in size or small in size, and mathematically you cannot write the answer, take the thread and keep on the circle like that measure, we cannot do, right? You have to do the through calculation. For that, you have to apply formula. There is a formula called two pi r. Meaning of this symbol is called what? Pi. It's a Greek word. If I going to explain what is the meaning of pi and all those things, again it will take a lot of times. So, with this formula you can get the answers. So, what is the question tells? The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Find the radius of a circle which has circumference equal to, this circumference is equal to sum of these two circumference, that is 2 pi r3 is equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Getting? So, 2 you can take 2 pi r3. Shall take the 2, both side 2 pi is there, you take common out, r1 plus r2. 2 pi and 2 pi cancel, r3 equal to, r1 is how much? r1 19 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. So, r3 equal how much? 19 plus 9, how much? 28 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, radius of the third circle is equal, r3 equal how much? 28 centimeter. Right, all of you? By writing question, I think I am wasting time. So, I will not be writing the question, I will read the question. I am sure all of you have notebook, textbook with you. So, you can see the questions, okay? Because time is very limited and we have to finish up. Question number 2, 3 very much similar like that, you can do it. Question number 4, which is little difficult and very important. Question number 4 tells, I read the question, all of you look at the questions. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. I repeat, the wheels of a car of a diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolution does each wheel make it in 10 minutes? I repeat, how many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 kilometer per hour? Quite tough questions, right? Is that not? Yes. Okay. Diameter of the wheel given. I will complete quickly because I have just 4 minutes time left. Diameter of the (80 centimeter). Now, time taken 10 minutes. Speed of the car, I have to speed up. Speed of the car is equal to 66 kilometer per hour. Little bit changes should be done because one is minutes, another one is kilometer, another one is hours, one is centimeter, another one is kilometer. Two different classes I can, class 8 and class 10 I cannot put together, or class 9 and class 10 I cannot put together. I am afraid I am going out of the topics, I have to finish up quickly. So, we have to keep it everything in one group, one unit, okay. 66, better we convert kilometer into centimeter. How many centimeters equal to 1 kilometer? There are 1 lakh centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Then we have to convert hours to minutes. How many minutes equal to 1 hour? 60, right? So now it is no more kilometer per hour, now it is centimeter per minutes. Getting? 1010 cancel, 166, 11. So how much? 11, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Centimeter per minutes. Okay. Now, distance travelled. Distance equal to speed into time. This is speed is how much? Time how much? 10 minutes. Minutes and minutes cancel because it is a divide, right? It will be at the bottom. So how much? Distance travelled in 10 minutes. One, two, three, four, and here 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This much distance it travelled. Now, number of revolution, how much times the wheel rotated in 10 minutes? Many times when you are traveling with your father, just you sit and your father is driving, wheel goes, right? The car will reach Dimapur. How many times have you ever thought how many times my wheel is rotating? You might have seen how many times our car is turning. There are so many turning is right, but how many times the car is wheel is rotating, we never think. But now you can, suppose if you want to know, you can calculate like this. Now number of revolution. Distance by circumference. Distance by circumference. Distance how much? Circumference, that is, you can write 2 pi r also. Formula of the circumference is 2 pi r also you can apply, by d also you can apply. If you are going to 2 pi r, then you have to convert the d into r, radius, okay. By value how much? Value of by is how much? Class 9 already you learned, right? By value 22/7 into d how much? 80 centimeter. Centimeter and centimeter cancel. The denominator, when it go reverse, it will go up. Okay, 10 and 10 cancel. 11 one time, 11 one more time, 2 time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 8 1 times, 8 common time divide. Sorry, before the 8 we can do it. With 2 we can do it. 2 common time, 5 time, 5 2 is 10, 1, 2, 3, now 8, 1, 2, 188, how many time? 8 6 are 48, 2 remainder, 20, 2 8 are 16, how much remainder? 4 remainder, 40, 8 common time, 5 times. How much? 6 2 5 into 7, multiply, 7 5 are 35, 3 remainder, 7 2 so 14 plus 3, 17, 1 remainder, 7 6 are 42 plus 1, 43. So, the wheel of the car, how many times it's rotated? 4,375 times it's rotated in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. From here to Dimapur, you take maximum, let's say even 2 hours also. In 10 minutes, your wheel is rotating this many times. 2 hours, how many times rotated? You just calculate. Is it clear? Is or no? All of you, right? Okay, children? I suppose you understood. Now itself, you practice once again, it will be very easy. Once if you don't practice immediately, then it will be very difficult. Okay, you will forget now, because in your mind it is very fresh that my face, my teaching, everything will be coming when you open the notebook and textbook. When you go to and watching TV, all those things, then my face I forgot, because I am not a hero of you, right? If I am your hero of you, surely you can remember my face. I am not your hero. And maths teacher, I know majority of you don't like maths teachers. So it's difficult to remember my face and difficult to remember my teaching when you go little later. So right now, immediately you look at your notebook and practice, very easy. Next question, there is nothing is there to multiple choice question that you can manage. Next class, I will be teaching new exercise. Okay? Okay, children, thank you so much.